In today's tutorial, I'm going to be dropping a step-by-step process on how I made this tote bag. If you're in for a bite, let's dive in. I'm making use of a length of 18.5 and a width of 16.5, and all the allowance and everything for folding is together with it. It's not compulsory for you to have a back pocket, but the line I'm making is the line I want for my back pocket to sit. I don't want people asking in the comment section like, what's the width of this material I'm holding? The main thing you just need to do is measure the size of your tote bag that you're using and add that size. You can also add an allowance to it so that you know that you're in a safe part, and this is how it is. To make your work neat, make sure you use your iron to fold the pocket to the initial size you want. Yeah, I'm still going to remind you, make sure you sew the top part of the pocket. And now we're done making our pocket, we just need to place it back to the material and use our pin to pin the pocket perfectly. After doing that, make sure you use your iron to get the middle of your tote bag perfectly, because you're going to be sewing at the middle of the pocket and also the side. After sewing this pocket, you should have something like this. And now we're going to be making a width of 2 inches and a length of 2 inches to form a square. And that square we are going to cut out is going to be the thing we use in getting the sturdy look tote bags normally get. Behind the camera, I'm going to be using these two materials to form a pocket, and in case you don't know how to make a pocket, drop it on the comment section and I'm going to make a video solely for making this exact pocket. For us to make our bag strap, we just need a length of 34.5 inches and a width of 3.5 inches. But the main size of the strap is going to be 28.5 inches after sewing and turning it inside out. Now we have turned it. If you watch closely, the part that has this joining together, I put it at the middle to iron it flat so that it can be hidden to make the work and the strap look clean. If you've gotten to this level, turn your tote bag to the back and sew one part of the tote bag. And when you're done, if you have a serger, you can use your serger to also seal that part to make it neater too. It's time for us to use our iron to fold the top part of our tote bag by 2 inches. And now you're done ironing, you just need to sew this other part the way you sewed the first part. And now you're going to turn your tote bag to the back after sewing it to close this part that is the box that gives the sturdy move. And just look at what I do closely to see how you can sew yours too, because I can't explain that part, it's kind of confusing. Now you're done with sewing, you should have something like this. And after doing this part, it's time for us to pin the top part of the tote bag. If you're a pro, you can just sew like that, but for you to be at the safe part, make use of a pin to pin the fore part of the tote bag. It helps to sew easily. If you watch closely, you're going to notice I'm already done sewing. And if you want to get the spacing I used for the strap, I made use of 2.5 inches for that spacing. If you can remember clearly, we made use of 32.5 inches for our strap, but this time around I'm going to be cutting it because I just want 28.5 inches. Without wasting your time, let's sew the strap to the tote bag, and after doing that, you just need to give your tote bag a light iron and we're done. In case anybody's in need of a tutorial for ironing the tote bag, I can show you how I iron it like this. I do it like this because it just makes the tote bag look more professional and more sturdy. After so many minutes of working, we are finally done with the tote bag, and this is how it came out. I don't know your thoughts, but drop it on the comment section so that I can see it to improve on something or create a new tutorial for a certain thing you need. And once again, thank you guys for watching. I can't wait to see your tote bag, and make sure you tag me when you make your own tote bag on any of these social media I'm dropping, because I would definitely love to see it.